The ocean breeze brushed against the towering gray hull of the BRP Tarlac, LD-601, as she stood proudly in the waters, a floating fortress, a lifeline of hope, and one of the most powerful vessels in the Philippine Navy. Commissioned in June 2016, the BRP Tarlac marked a turning point in the country's maritime defense. She was not just a ship. She was a symbol of strength, cooperation, and the nation's commitment to protect and serve both in times of war and peace. Built by PT PAL Indonesia, this massive landing platform dock stands over 120 meters long and can carry hundreds of soldiers, armored vehicles, landing craft, and even helicopters. Her design, derived from Indonesia's Makassar class, gives her the perfect balance of might and versatility. She is capable of delivering troops to remote islands, conducting amphibious operations, and responding swiftly to humanitarian and disaster relief missions, making her a true workhorse of the Philippine fleet. From her maiden voyage, the BRP Tarlac proved that she was made not just of steel, but of purpose. Her first missions took her across the vast Philippine archipelago, carrying relief goods, rescue teams, and medical units to areas devastated by natural disasters. She became a beacon of hope for thousands who lost everything. The ship's massive deck, often used for helicopters and amphibious operations, turned into a lifeline for communities cut off by floods and typhoons. Every landing craft launched from her belly carried food, medicine, and the promise of survival. But the BRP Tarlac story is not only about peace and rescue, it is also about defense and readiness. During the Marawi siege, she played a crucial support role, serving as a floating base for aircraft and special operations units. Her size and capability allowed the Navy to project power inland, assisting in logistics, troop movement, and command operations. In every mission, she demonstrated what modern naval warfare truly means: precision, mobility, and resilience. Inside the ship, hundreds of sailors and Marines live and work like one big family. The vessel's hangar and well deck can accommodate landing craft and military vehicles that can storm beaches or deliver aid wherever needed. Her command center is equipped with modern systems that allow her to coordinate large-scale operations. And even though she carries only minimal weaponry, including plans for a 76mm main gun and 25mm secondary mounts, her true strength lies in her versatility and strategic importance. In April 2025, after years of loyal service, BRP Tarlac returned to PT PAL Indonesia for maintenance and upgrades. This routine visit symbolized the enduring cooperation between the Philippines and Indonesia, two maritime nations bound by shared waters and a shared vision of regional stability. The Philippine Navy plans to further enhance her sensors, communications, and self-defense systems to ensure that she remains ready for the next generation of challenges. Wherever she sails, BRP Tarlac carries not just men and machines, but the heart of a nation that values courage, compassion, and commitment. She is a ship built for battle yet destined for peace, a vessel that can deliver both soldiers and salvation. Her name itself honors the province of Tarlac, representing the strength and perseverance of the Filipino people. Through storms and sunshine, through conflict and calm, the BRP Tarlac continues her duty, silently guarding the seas, ready to respond at a moment's notice. Whether it's ferrying Marines to training exercises, participating in joint missions with allied navies, or rushing aid to typhoon-stricken provinces, she stands as proof that the Philippine Navy is no longer confined to its shores but ready to serve across the open sea. Every rivet on her hull tells a story of dedication, of sacrifice, and of a future where the Philippines can stand proud as a true maritime nation. The BRP Tarlac, LD-601, is more than a ship. She is a testament to what can be achieved through vision, cooperation, and unwavering resolve. If you believe in the strength of the Filipino spirit and the heroes who protect our islands, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's honor the brave men and women who sail into danger so the rest of us can live in peace. Aboard the mighty BRP Tarlac, LD-601.